a woman?
Yeah.
Are you joking?
You didn't know that?
No! I got boobies!
I'm at 4. Okay, Ghost, do it again.
I'm going to grab more shit.
That's what I think about you, Ghost.
I legit thought that was the ghost. Oh my god. I backed away from my computer so fast.
Oh my god.
He burped and I thought it was the ghost that scared the daylights out of me. I thought it was that noise that passed like your ear.
Oh, my stomach hurts, dude.
That was pretty good.
I don't have any more pictures.
Ah, it's hunting!
We're dead.
Daniel Brown, Daniel Brown, Daniel Brown, Daniel Brown, Daniel Brown, Daniel Brown, Daniel Brown.
Hide in here.
Danny boy!
Come on.
Daniel Brown!
Give us a sign.
Daniel Brown! Listen here, you cocksucker! Come over here! Kill me through the wall. Bitch! Oh fuck, he's over here! He's going in the main room! Come here, Danny! Daniel Brown, you stupid whore! Fuck you!
Sounds like the kid that didn't get any candy on
You guys
Halloween.
are safe, get out. Who died? You didn't give me candy, fuck you!
What about the spirit box?
How you guys doing? We're gonna put that there.
I never understood.
Who's got the lighter, by the way? Hello?
I don't.
Not me.
We buy a
Oh!
lighter?
Oh! Whoa! What is that?
What is that?
What is that?
Did it whisper in your ear?
Yeah, I got a picture of like a it's like a mist. It's like a mist. Look at your
Ghostly fart.
it's a wandering fart.
I don't know. We're in the middle of a professional game and we're like wandering fart.
Oh! Just clipped through the ground. I threw it clip through the ground. The sound it made, it just like.
Get the fuck out of the house.
Why would we?
Do we have any proof as to what this thing is?
We got a footprint and
I
a
know, but I
picture.
got a picture of
That's
everyone's
not
username so I can
fingerprints.
add you.
Good. I was gonna add you. After that burp thing, I couldn't just not.
You're over here burping. What was that?
What was that?
Ruh-roh,
Oh fuck,
Raggy!
it's in here! Oh god! Oh god, it's in here! We're all gonna fucking die!
Ruh-roh, Raggy!
Didn't we got? Do fingerprints count as footprints? I don't know.
No, no.
So really, we have nothing.
Handprints and
What do you
fingerprints.
mean?
What
To
about
monkeys,
thermometer?
It's a footprint and a handprint.
Yeah,
What's-
but this isn't a monkey, it's a fucking dead guy.
You don't know if it's not a monkey.
What kind of monkey's name is Daniel Brown?
Hey, listen,
That's an
listen.
accountant.
Listen,
You ever
listen.
seen the
No,
ones
no.
going to space? They got names.
Nah, listen, guys.
Yeah, it's called fucking dead.
Guys, you're being ridiculous. If
Oh,
it was
wait,
no.
I might see your point here.
Guys, you're being ridiculous. If it was a ghost monkey, it'd go. Ooh.
In your ear, you hear. Curious George, is that
no, it just goes,
Dude, imagine you're
didn't-
sitting.
you? To me, he didn't. To
Ima-
me, he didn't make a fucking noise.
Imagine.
He just looked at me.
Imagine. You're sitting in a dark room. You're talking in a spirit box, and in the spirit box, all of a sudden you hear.
When it's hunted, it's going.
Return the monkey!
Phasmophobia, monkey.
Yeah, Phasmophobia, return the monkey.
Monkey evolution. When I say we have like literally nothing to protect us, we got nothing. No cops will come out our way.
Just
Get
keep
you
like
a goddamn 155mm field gun.
just
I
get
got
a
a BB
machine.
gun.
Just get a Gatling gun. You put it on top of your roof. You get mail delivered every once in a while, and it just.
Oh, there goes the mailman. Guess they gotta get a new one.
I don't know why, but these mail people keep disappearing when they go to this house. Well, send another one. Extra, read all the way. Whoa!
I have
Extra,
nothing to
extra.
add because I lost everything.
The mailman's just a little chimp in an outfit.
When your words of choice is monkey.
Monkey. They deploy it from the helicopter. Then they drop it down.
Team 6, move out.
You guys, you look up, you go.
Trying to send out the monkey bombs.
See,
You see like 500 monkeys dive bombing you.
you start to hear
One goes through your roof.
crashes on the top of your vehicle.
Fun fact, you could you could drop squirrels from a fucking cargo plane, and if they, as long as they don't starve on the way down, they'll survive.
That doesn't make
it's
any
because
sense.
It's because they don't reach terminal velocity.
How long are they what do you mean?
They're helium
starve?
balloons.
As long as they do not starve on the way down.
What does that mean? Why would they starve on the way down? How long does it take to reach the
I don't know.
They're like falling
I don't
through
know.
for
Maybe
weeks
you
or
haven't
something.
met. Maybe you didn't fucking feed them. You didn't give them the in-flight snack.
They bury their food. Why would they starve?
They're helium
How are they
balloons.
gonna bury
They're
it?
gonna take a
They're
while.
in the air. Let's go fucking find this ghost. Let's do this. Let's go. Hey, yo, David Martinez, show us them titties.
It's a guy.
Footprints!
Footprint.
Monkey.
Ah, the lights are dead.
Oh, there goes the cop. David Martinez, show yourself.
At a 4, 5.
David Martinez, up here. David Martinez, this is my house.
David Martinez, what you wrote over here is wrong in this book. You need to.
It's ABC, not. Got it.
Oh shit!
Time to go.
Just
saying, we left the house. It's hunting you.
Look into my eyes.
I never realized
how beautiful their eyes are.
I've seen all the equations.
We've
once
been
you did
discovered.
that.
No.
Oh.
Hello?
Spookahuntus, are you here?
Pocahontas, are you here?
Man,
Hello?
has anyone had a ghost stick in their mouth?
Hello?
No, but that's why we're here, right?
Hello?
Alright, does anyone want to sing a song while we're walking to the other side?
Yeah. I overheard the old man say, "Leave her, Johnny, leave her." I overheard
good song.
the old man say, "It's time for us to leave her."
That's a camera.
Did someone
Oh.
turn the slide on?
Wait, what?
Hello?
Wait, negative freezing temperature right here.
For Anderson. Sandra Anderson.
It's on your foot.
Oh god. Whoa, what? Guys? Hello? Hello? Where am I?
Dude, all I know is like, I was like, wait, where's VR guy? A hunt starts and it's just...
Hey, you want a hug? I wish I had VR so I could give you a hug, bro.
Hey, we're gonna hug you. We're
It's
hugging you,
okay.
it's okay.
It's okay, bro.
It's okay,
It's
man.
okay.
That was awful. You have no
Oh
idea.
god, you guys are making
Oh, what
out.
the
You guys are-
I heard a grunt.
Jesus! Oh, fucking shit! Well, I mean, hey, I might become, you know, I might become a famous porn producer for ghosts, you know?
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Oh!
Hide.
Oh no.
Did you hear that? It was the ghost.
We
There's
do.
crucifixes. There's a crucifix at the door, and then there's a crucifix near the door in the front.
We should have it. We should have it right here, honestly. It's right
Oh,
there.
he's right there.
Die!
And there's one on the floor and one's like in the salt, you know?
In the salt. It's in the salt.
I thought it was. It looked like it was. I don't know though.
I think we're good. Yeah, we're ready.
So it's a spirit, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hey, whoa, 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 whoa! Hey! What's wrong with my hand? Where's my book going? Why is it flying away? Come back! Where is it going? Come back! It's going farther away! Come back! Where is it going?